In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the high beam bulb on your Subaru Crosstrek. This is located in your engine bay on the back side of the headlight. To replace the high beam bulb, grab the connector and rotate counterclockwise, about a quarter turn. Pull out the bulb. With the bulb pulled out, press in on the connector. Check your terminals for any corrosion. This looks good. When installing your high beam bulb, make sure that you don't touch the glass. This can cause the bulb to fail prematurely. Plug the bulb into the connector and make sure you hear the click. Install the bulb. Turn it a quarter turn until you feel it seat. Once you're done, check the function of your headlights. It's good to do these in pairs. If one bulb goes, it's likely that the other will soon. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.